Imagine a single natural ingredient that can strengthen your hair, rejuvenate your skin, and even relieve pain. Sounds too good to be true? But that's exactly what castor oil can do for you. And at the end of this video, I'll share a secret and safe DIY recipe that enhances castor oil's effects, acting as a natural Botox for your skin. So stay with me until the end and subscribe to the channel now for more powerful health and beauty tips. What is castor oil? Castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Though it has been used for thousands of years, modern science has proven its incredible benefits for women's health. How was it discovered? The use of castor oil dates back to ancient Egypt, where women used it as a beauty elixir. It was also employed in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties. Today, research in the United States confirms its effectiveness, especially in strengthening hair and deeply hydrating the skin. Benefits of castor oil: strengthens and stimulates hair growth. A study from the American Journal of Dermatology showed that the ricinoleic acid in the oil can increase blood flow to the scalp, accelerating hair growth. Deep skin hydration. Thanks to its fatty acids, it combats dryness and premature aging, reduces inflammation and acne. Its antimicrobial properties help fight acne-causing bacteria, strengthens eyelashes and eyebrows. Regular applications can make them thicker and more defined, relieves muscle and joint pain. Studies suggest that topical application of the oil reduces inflammation. Who should and should not use it? Safe for use by women who want stronger, fuller hair, people with dry or aging skin, those suffering from muscle or joint pain. Avoid use if you have very oily skin, as it may cause acne. You are pregnant without consulting a doctor, as it may induce contractions. You have allergies to vegetable oils. Always do a patch test before use. Powerful DIY recipe: natural Botox. Now, as promised, here is the foolproof DIY recipe to enhance castor oil's effects. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 3 drops of lavender essential oil. How to use: mix everything and apply it to your face before bedtime. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. You'll notice firmer, more hydrated skin within the first week. If you loved this tip, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to know this secret. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now to never miss a new video.